Hello and welcome to yet another beautiful episode of My Study Stories. And today, as you all know, I'm standing right in front of Amal College of Engineering and Technology, Kanjirappalli. As you all know, the college is with an atmosphere that I cannot even express. Beautiful infrastructure and amazing hygiene and climatic condition with utmost hospitality. And as you all know, this is one of the first self-financing private college that started in 2001 with 10 UG courses and 9 PG courses. So to know more about this beautiful college and all the research programs and other activities that the college provides, let's have a look at it. Amal is a very huge campus and it is guided under the safe hands with utmost hospitality. Yes, I'm talking about our manager, Reverend Father Dr. Matthew Paikard. So now let's invite our beloved Father and listen to his valuable words. Namaskaram, Father.
Namaskaram.
Thank you, Father. Actually, I'm really happy and I feel really positive being here. To be honest, the infrastructure and the hygiene factor, hospitality, everything was like amazing. And I really had a great time, videoing the whole college and the entire campus. So I'm really eagerly waiting to know what Father has to say about the college.
Thank you very much for your good words. Especially the atmosphere at the campus. Those who come from outside, they appreciate it. It is one of the best campus in Kerala. In 2001, the government of Kerala allowed to start self-financing colleges in engineering area. So this is one of the 10 colleges. And it belongs to the Diocese of Kottayam, to the Catholic Church.
Yes.
We are proud of being one of the first and also one of the best.
Yes.
In all aspects, in academics, in research,
Yes.
in inventions. So our focus is mainly on these three factors. So importance is given to the academics. Then it should reach to the research, and research should end in inventions.
Yeah.
Then the structure 17 lakh square feet and the biggest hostel in Kerala,
Okay.
2,500. These are all the specialities of this college.
So there are a lot of activities and other, curriculums and a lot of things are happening in the college. So what do you want to tell to the students who are aspiring to join here?
Academics that we guarantee. Our teachers are young, they will help the students, sure. Even during this pandemic situation, our teachers are doing best from their side. Secondly, we have the facility of doing research.
Yeah.
They may not meet such possibilities in other colleges. Thirdly, we encourage inventions.
Yeah.
Even financially, we help them to do research. Then last year, we started a registered company so that the students who enter here can study and also earn while they are learning here. So if they come here, they can develop themselves. Okay.
Lastly, I just want to ask one last question.
Okay.
What is that one advice you want to give to the young students who are coming up with engineering plans in their future?
Yeah, the engineering field needs work.
Yes.
They have to work. So come prepared to study, to work hard, to spend time more, especially after this college hours. They have to spend more time in our TBI. So you are welcome. We are here.
Yes. Thank you, Father. Thank you so much for sharing very informative.
Okay, thank you.
message to
Thank
us.
you very much. Thank you.
So now I have with me Principal of Amal College, Kanjirappalli, Dr. Sedvi Lakaparambil. Namaskaram, sir.
Okay.
So how are you?
Fine, madam.
Thank you, sir. So so you have also worked in CCAD as a senior director. So how was the experience? Of course, you might have had a lot of big experiences out there. So being in an industrial sector and having a lot of experience and coming to an academic field, how do you feel right now?
No, actually, if you look at engineering field,
Yeah.
engineering involves a lot of learning of science
Yes.
and then converting into actual practice through that engineering methods of doing.
Yes.
So it involves a lot of learning. That learning of science and the skill and other things
Yes.
happens in engineering college through the laboratories as well as from classrooms.
Yeah.
And we have to convert that into an industrial usage
Yes.
so that it will go into the society.
Yes.
So this happens through research institutes where I was working.
Sir, also now talking about Amal Jyothi, why a students should choose Amal Jyothi for engineering?
We have a variety of subjects.
Yeah.
So when you go out on the campus, you discuss with the people in all subjects. So the students will get all type of knowledge, right from mechanical engineering, automobile, metallurgy, computer science, all fields, electronics. So that now engineering is an interdisciplinary nature. So this type of knowledge you will get from Amal Jyothi, because a person who is learning automobile, he can take minor options in electronics as well as computer. So that in the automobile sector or mechanical sector, that will help.
Yeah.
So if you look at material science, because material science is an area where people do higher research in engineering, especially electronics as well as mechanical engineering. So that subject is also here. And this is a place where people can enjoy by talking on their profession. And moreover, in engineering, professional networking is required all throughout our life when you are in this profession.
Yeah.
So that is better here because we have this campus with a lot of hostel people here.
Yeah. So, sir, one more thing is that, in general, what do you want to, what is the one advice that you would like to give to, students who would want to pursue engineering as a career?
You should interact with the people. You should involve with the other aspects because engineering doesn't mean it is only subject because you have to manage things.
True.
So that aspect also you have to learn. And moreover, I can say that technology will not sell unless it is economically viable. So you should be aware of the economics, the pricing aspects of things also.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you so much for sharing your information. It was really helpful. I hope it is going to be really helpful for people who are watching as well. So thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Hello guys, do you know what is TBI, Technology Business Incubator? Well, I'm really curious to know more about it, but before that, Amal Jyothi College of Engineering is the only private self-financing college funded with Government of India for TBI. I'm standing right in front of Startup Valley, which is supported and funded by Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, and supported by Kerala Startup Mission. So now it's time to know more about it. Let's go. So now it's time to know more about Amal Jyothi's TBI, namely Startups Valley. So now here I invite the CEO of Amal Jyothi's TBI, Sharon Sam Josat. Hi sir, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hi sir. Sir, I would first of all like to know what is TBI in detail.
Technology Business Incubator is a space or ecosystem where students or public can start their startup. We will support them, we will mentor them, we will guide them to enter into the international market. First, we were able to start one entrepreneurship development cell with the support of TTBI. Now it is Kerala Startup Mission. Then we approached the Government of India through Department of Science and Technology. Department of Science and Technology sanctioned the first Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development Center in 2019. It was first Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development Center sanctioned by DST to any colleges in Kerala. Thereafter, because of this good ecosystem, we were able to start in a technology business incubator supported by Government of India through Department of Science and Technology. Then our journey was continuing. Thereafter, we were able to start on biotechnology business incubator. Biotechnology business incubator is the second incubator sanctioned to Amal Jyothi College, and it is supported by Department of Biotechnology, Government of India. It is the first technology business incubator in Kerala, which is supported by this DBT.
Sir, so far how many students have came up with new startup ideas, and how many successful startups have been functioning right now from here?
We were able to develop 57 such startups in our college. 37 are working right now.
What are the criteria that has to be taken under consideration to get the approval for startups from here?
When they enter into the campus, we will give small experience sharing by the entrepreneurs who are doing work in our college. In the second semester, we used to conduct 2 or 3 days exclusive entrepreneurship awareness camps.
Okay, all right.
After that, the keen students will automatically come and contact us.
All right.
When they start some work, we will give mentorship. We will direct them to different departments. Then they will come up with some solid idea. If it is a good market potential product, then we will call them for the presentation. Based on the presentation, then evaluators will be there. Based on the presentation, if some addition or some modifications is required, then we will direct them to work in that way.
Okay.
Otherwise, we will provide the space here. Then automatically they will come up with ecosystem.
So thank you so much, sir. Thank
You are
you
welcome.
for sharing
Okay.
your information
Thank you.
with us.
Thank you.
Amal Jyothi College has 37 business startups running very successfully, and also it has been funded by Social Welfare Department, UNDP Green Funds, and Kerala startup schemes have been funding through different schemes, and also Acumen provides 3 crore funds, and most importantly they have achieved second runner-up position in the Kerala's best service sector startup. Research and development plays a key role in any institution, but in Amal Jyothi what I find interesting is that they provide research opportunity to even first year students, and that is really something very new to me. So anyway, to know more about it, let me welcome the Dean of Research and Development, Dr. Soni C. George.
Hello.
I heard about this amazing platform for the first year students to come up with their research ideas, and that is something very rare or unusual. I haven't heard of this in any other colleges. So what was the vision behind this?
Yeah, well, Amal Jyothi College is offering programs in undergraduate level, BTech level, as well as postgraduate level and doctoral level also. But we are mainly focusing at undergraduate level. And for that, in the first year itself, we are actually providing them better training. We are enriching them with a lot of programs, orientation program, workshops, seminar, conferences, and we are also giving them a lot of opportunity to work in clubs.
Oh, is it?
Okay, yeah. Technical clubs. Computer science student can join in an electrical energy club,
Oh, okay.
like that.
So what's the difference that Amal Jyothi College of Engineering provides in terms of research and development from other colleges?
You can see in the outcome we have, we have the students, they are coming out will be better research oriented, and we have several tie-ups with other industries also.
Yeah.
MOU with several academic organizations, international level, international foreign universities, several institutions, scientific institutions all over India.
Okay.
Well-known industries also we have good tie-up. So our students are getting trained during the course itself.
At the same time, when you talked about tie-ups, I really want to know if there is any tie-ups with the very renowned brands when it comes to research and development.
Automobile we have Eicher, metallurgy we have Chemby, and in computer science we have Red Hat training programs. Like that, so many are there. Yeah, well known.
Which all are the companies that are actually tying up with research plans?
We have a lot of institutions actually. For example, Dergam University, UK, SRH University in Germany, and also in Gdańsk University in Poland, and also institution with the Pushpagiri Medical College.
Okay.
So we are trying to do some projects jointly with the biomedical areas, and we are jointly submitting project proposals also for funding. So that will be also added for the training of the students.
All right. So sir, in total, what do you want to say about students who are going to take their career here and come forward with the research?
I can assure you that Amal Jyothi is providing a better training for a better human being. Our students will be technically as well as professionally skilled, as well as when they are coming out, they will be a better human being. So we have a holistic approach.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for sharing information. Means a lot. So Amal Jyothi College is offering a wide range of job opportunities and making their students industrial ready. And to know more about it, let me invite PRO and Training and Placement Officer Thomas Pulsa. Hello, sir.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir. So, today I would like to ask you, first of all, what are the job opportunities that are awaiting for the students of Amal Jyothi?
See, we have job opportunities wide,
Yeah.
mainly into IT sector,
Yeah.
and we also have core companies visiting our campus.
So, sir, so what are the criteria that has to be taken under consideration to select the students?
See, we segregate students into different categories according to their need.
Yeah.
So, we normally during their S6, in the pre-final year itself, we segregate students according to the needs, and we provide intensive training
All right.
according to their needs.
How do you find their, interest, and accordingly, how do you do the rest?
We sent a mail to each student requesting, if you are interested in higher studies, stick there according to the needs.
Okay.
So they'll get we get a feedback based on the email, and we segregate. And in the final year, we divide and we provide training. If they are interested in higher studies, we also give higher studies abroad, that job opportunities. Then entrepreneurship skills we provide, and we also provide a aptitude training program. And with the help of all the departments and their teachers, we provide mock interview and group discussion.
So, sir, throughout the years, what are the percentage of students getting placed?
See, from the registered eligible candidates, there are about 80 to 85% students are getting placed. Even there are about in the 2021 pass out, students had 56 opportunities. That means 56 companies conducted their virtual. This year we have virtual, online recruitment. So we had 56 companies in the campus. Last year it was about 52. Even after the passing out also we provide. Even now recruitments are going on for 2019 batch.
Okay.
Yeah. So we take care. Once the students move out, we don't ignore them. We provide opportunities, ample opportunities.
Okay. So thank you so much, sir,
Thank
for
you.
your informations and everything that you shared with me right now.
Yes.
So it means a lot. So thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So yes, I'm standing right in the middle of Amal Jyothi College. As you can see, it's a beautiful lawn area. Well, we all know that young youths are studying here and they're full of life apart from studies. A lot of extracurricular activities and talents are, fulfilled in here. So as you can see, this is the place where all the activities and events are happening. So such a beautiful area, right? So I'm enjoying my time. So we talked about the branches and course details, and now I think it's time to talk about Amal Jyothi's campus life. And here I have the first year course coordinator, Dr. Ebin Manoj.
Hello.
Hi ma'am, namaskaram. So ma'am, talking about the campus life, what is the first thing that you want to say to our viewers?
Yeah, you can see the beauty of our campus, the architecture,
Definitely.
which is very lovely, and it is
So soothing.
it is mostly welcomed by the parents and of course the newcomers.
Yeah.
So that is the most attraction of our college. And then coming to the campus life, you can see the greeneries, you can see
Definitely.
the campus is so beautiful, and we have so many cultural activities over here. The one which is highlight is the Azure, which contains a whole lot of cultural activities. And the students really enjoy it. It's a 1-week program and the students really enjoy it. And we have pro shows, which is run by very famous bands.
Okay.
And so many cultural activities are involved. And at the same time, there are technical programs also in Azure.
Okay.
Then we have the basketball tournament, which is most highly, cash, which is the highest cash award in the state of Kerala.
Oh, okay.
So that is Arena,
Alright.
which is also very famous, and that's also conducted during the evenings, which the students really enjoy. And then we have so many arts and games fest, and we have cricket, we have football, and evenings the students can enjoy the games in the campus. Talking about the girl students, we have a very safe campus here, safe hostel here.
Yes.
They have a separate gym for fitness.
Okay.
And then the food, they can order separate food, especially for NRI students. They would prefer some special dishes. So that is also given by the hostel.
Yeah, and I have also heard about some incorporation with TEDx. So what,
Yeah, we have, for the past 2 years, we have been organizing the TEDx.
So I think a lot of students are
Of
getting the
course.
opportunity to
Yeah.
even come up and, you know, speak in confidence.
Sure,
Yeah.
technical events are there where paper presentations are going on,
Yeah.
and also cultural events. Mostly it is taken care of by our students itself. They are organizing, they are conducting, everything is done by the students, and we have faculty just for guidance part only.
Yeah.
So they really enjoy these part of the activities.
All right. Ma'am, so I would like to ask this question and conclude. So what do you want to tell to, you know, the first year students who really wants to come and join in this college?
From the campus, you have seen it's very attractive, and the campus life, and of course the support from the side of faculty is very encouraging, and the hostel also, they are very safe, and we don't have ragging. We have a very strong anti-ragging committee which is taken care of by our heads
All right.
and principal, etc., and that is taken care of very well. So they are very safe here. They can enjoy
And have their best campus life.
best campus life.
Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your information. It
Thank
means a
you so
lot.
much. It was so nice talking to you.
Same to you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
All right, so it was amazing to know more about this college, and as you all can see, it's amazing. No, it's very beautiful, the atmosphere, the ambience, and the interior, exterior. Everything is looking amazing. So I'm sure you guys are gonna have an amazing campus life. So well, it's time to conclude my today's episode of My Study Stories, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode with all the informations and visual sites that we shared of Amal Jyothi College of Engineering and Technology. So I hope you guys loved, and I'll be coming soon with yet another My Study Story. Till then, it's me, Sreya, Surendran, signing off. Ta-ta, bye-bye. Take care.